Let's go to the phone lines. 1-800-LAWLINK. All right? The lawyer's ready to answer some questions. He does that very well.
Natalie.
Hi.
Hi,
How are
Natalie.
I'm good. How are you guys?
Good. What's up?
Good.
Well, I just got married to an American citizen just about a month ago. I was listening to your program yesterday, and I'm wondering if it's too early to file for my to adjust my status.
How long have you been in the United States?
For 4 years.
Go file it tomorrow.
File away.
Okay, and I have my kids. My kids are in Jamaica. So I was listening to what you were saying yesterday, that you were telling someone to file as soon as possible because of...
That is correct.
Yeah.
That is
okay,
correct.
so it's not going to look as if I'm like doing it too fast. That's what I was thinking.
Let
no?
me tell you something. Stop worrying about what it looks like to somebody else. The reality is this. If it is a real marriage, you have nothing to hide. So it doesn't matter. It's real. Whether you filed a month after you get married, 6 months after you get married, or 6 years after you get married. If it is not a real marriage, you have everything to hide. By waiting to file or not to file, you're not helping yourself. You're breaking the law.
Yep.
So if it's real, just file. You got nothing to hide. Just go do it. If it's not real, you shouldn't be doing it at all.
Right.
Period.
Okay, thank you.
Right.
Another question. My kids are 8, and the other one is 18, coming the end of this month.
Right.
So is it okay to file?
Yes, as long as the marriage happened before you turned 18, you're safe. But the applications have to be in before 21, but they'll be in well before then, so you're fine.
Okay. Thank you very much.
You're very welcome.
Thank you.
Yeah.
All right, and if you need help, hold on.
Yeah, hello.
How are you?
Hello.
Okay.
What's up?
Okay, I'm just calling to find out. I was married. My husband passed away. I sent in a widow form, the I-130, and I got a respond. But I got a 4-year-old also, which she's not a citizen here.
He's a resident?
She's not a resident either.
Who's she?
She's Jamaican.
Your wife was Jamaican. This was a same-sex marriage?
No, my husband was from the United States. I'm Jamaican.
Okay, so who is she that you're referring to?
My daughter is 4.
Okay, so your husband filed. Let's talk about you first. Your husband filed for you. He was a U.S. citizen born here. Did he before he passed? Did he file for you?
No.
Okay, so you have to do an I-360. That's the widow petition.
Yes, I did that I-360.
And then you can include your 4-year-old daughter on the I-360.
Okay, that's it. I didn't put her on the I-360.
Yeah. So
I got to do a new one for her.
No, you can't do a new one. You just have to include her on it. So you have to write immigration and let them know. Really, what you should be doing at this point is hiring a good lawyer, because you're not going down the right track if you want to get your daughter included. All right. So hold on one second.
Okay.
All right.
1-800-529-5465. Taking calls live. 1-800-529-5465. Let's go to another call.
Sandra in the Bronx.
BX, lean back.
Yes. My question is, I'm a resident here now, and I want to file for my daughters. One is 26 and one is 17. She'll be 18 this year. However, the one who is 17, she's in Jamaica right now. She'll be 18 in May this year. And the one who is 26, she's in America here on a student visa. How do I go about filing for both children?
You got to file 2 separate I-130 visa petitions, one for each. As long as your daughter stays in status here, she'll eventually get her green card. And hopefully, if you file now for your daughter, she'll get her green card before she turns 21, the one back in Jamaica. You have to file 2 separate I-130s. We can help you. Hold on one second. Let's go to Johnny in Queens. Johnny
in Queens.
Hey,
what's up?
Hey, Brad.
What's up?
Hey, Brad. What's up, guy?
What's up?
Let me know. We have a friend that have a green card, but him green card expired about 2-3 years now. You know, and he want to go back. Oh, what's the problem?
I don't know. What's the problem? Why didn't he want to go back and renew his green card?
No, he wanted to go, but he just was lackadaisical, you know?
Oh, lackadaisical?
You know,
so just file an I-90.
Yeah,
File an I-90. He still has a green card. Just file an I-90. He'll get it replaced.
I-90 and no problem. How much that will cost? How much that will cost?
What did we say this morning? $455 plus 85. $540.
To renew, right?
Yeah.
Tell me something. Let me ask you that since you're on the line. Can you like just try to get your citizenship?
If he's had a green card, yeah, presumably. I assume he has had a green card for more than 5 years. So the
You have to renew. You have to renew your green card first before you apply for citizenship.
No, you can do your citizenship right away.
Is that so?
Yes, it's so. Hold on 1 second. We can help. All right. All right. So let's go to James, also in the Bronx. James. A lot of Bronx today. James, what's up?
Hello.
What's up?
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
My name is John James.
John James.
My daughter is filing for me. She didn't born here. She was born in Antigua, but she's a U.S. citizen.
Right.
I just want to find out how long would it take before I can get the green card she filed for me?
About 9 months.
9 months?
Yeah, we can help. Hold on. All right. Let's go to Leslie in Brooklyn. Leslie.
Leslie and BK.
Mr. Leslie in Brooklyn.
Yes.
Yes, Mr. Leslie.
Good afternoon, Brad.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, I'm a U.S. citizen. I filed for my son in 2006. He got called in 2012, and when he went in, they found out that he had a charge of he was held with a spliff, and they charged him for it. So they turned him down. They said that he need a waiver to prove that I'm going through hardship before they can give him his green card. How do I go about
Well,
that?
he had a spliff. How long ago was it?
2012.
Okay, yeah, he needs a waiver, and he has to prove it's less than 30 grams. You have to show extreme and unusual hardship to you. You generally need a lawyer to help you with that. So hold on 1 second.
I'm gonna need a lawyer for it.
Absolutely, absolutely. Hold on.
1-800-529-5465. Once again, let's get back to the lines.
Jean or Jean in Brooklyn. I don't know if it's Jean or Jean.
Yes.
Jean.
Yes, I'm here.
How are you?
I'm good, thank God.
Okay, what's up?
And should I go ahead?
I think you should go ahead. The floor is all yours.
Yeah, all right. I want to understand this question.
Okay.
Clearly.
The question.
If someone have a green card and you're a U.S. resident for a while and you want to visit another country such as Canada where your relatives are for a week or two, is there any problem?
Well, it's a problem, but this is what you have to understand. Canada and almost any country in the world, okay,
right.
The determination whether or not you need a visa to go to another country is not determined based on where you're a lawful resident of. It's determined based on where you are a citizen of. So people who are citizens of the United States can go visit Canada without a visa. Now, if you're a green card holder, you're not a citizen of the United States. Maybe you're a citizen of, I don't know, United Kingdom, England. I would believe that the United Kingdom could go visit Canada without a visa. Maybe you're a citizen of Russia. Russia, you would need a visa. So it's specific based on your citizenship, not where you're a green card.
Okay.
Got it?
So basically that's a chance you will take with your...
What?
Yeah, I understand.
Now you understand. Very good. Thank you for
All
calling.
right.
All right.
Thank you so
You're
much.
welcome. All right, let's go to Marsha in Lake Park, Florida. Marsha.
Hey, Brad
Hey.
and Squeeze, how are you guys doing?
Oh, look how happy she is.
Yeah, I like that.
Squeeze,
Yes.
my friend on Facebook.
Ah.
Anyway.
You know
my
Marsha? You know Marsha from Facebook?
Of course I know Marsha from
You know
Facebook.
Marsha from
Yes, I do.
Facebook, right?
I do know Marsha from
Right,
Facebook.
you and Marsha's one of what? 250,000 friends of yours,
Yeah,
right?
somewhere
On
like
Facebook.
that.
Something like
She's
that.
my favorite friend.
Yeah, she is your favorite
Yeah.
friend, though. Yes, okay, just double check.
Okay, Brad,
Yes.
you answered my question, but you spoke so fast. I did not get the name of all the forms that my husband should do.
All right.
I'm married here. He's a citizen by birth, and he's doing my papers. But
You ready?
I only got the I-130
You have a
from you.
pen?
speak
You got
so
a pen?
fast.
You got a pen?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
Yes, I do.
All right, you all right. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
I-45, I-130, I-765, I-130. No, I'm only kidding.
Oh, my
I'm only
Just
kidding.
kidding.
You know, you set yourself up for that. All right, I'll go slowly. I'm going to go slowly. I-45, I-45,
I-45,
I-485,
I-485,
I-130,
yes,
I-765. That's for the work permit. I-765. 765, that's the work permit. I-131, that's for your travel document.
Okay.
And an I-864. I-864, which is the affidavit of support. Now, on the I-130, because you are in the United States of America, there is a supplement to that for people who are in the United States also have to fill out. It's the I-130A. It's all part of the I-130, but I want you to make sure that you fill out the supplement as well.
I-130A.
Yes.
Okay.
All right? That's it.
That's it.
Okay, that's it. Thank you so much, and you have a blessed day.
Best of luck.
All right. Thanks a lot.
Jeff Bossi has a question. Jeff Bossi from Nassau, New York.
Jeff, what's up?
What's up?
Hello.
He has no question whatsoever.
Wait a minute. I actually had a question about a month ago.
Okay.
It's a simple question.
Okay.
Let's say if I wanted to go to Canada, do I need a passport or can I just get by with my driver's license?
Nah, you really need a passport.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And to add to that, but what would it mean that I'm rich? How could I be possibly rich?
How could you be rich?
Yeah.
Squeezes says you're rich in love. That's what you are.
He's already rich.
I'm rich in life.
Rich in
I
life.
live with you guys.
All right. He's one of our best. He watches all the time. So Squeeze says he must be rich. He's got nothing to do except watch us all the time.
Have a great day, guys.
Thank you
Thanks a lot
very
for
much.
calling in, JB.
Thanks a lot.
All right, let's move to another one.
Go to Taylor in Queens, New York. Taylor.
Hi, good morning.
Right. Good morning. By the way, I didn't expect Jeff's voice to be that way. I don't know what I was expecting his voice to be like. It was the first time we spoke with him.
Yes.
All right, any event. Taylor, what's your question?
My question is, I have two little cousins here that were left in the U.S. here by their parents. One is 18 and the other one turns 21. The 21-year-old went to school here from 9th grade, I believe. Is there any way I could,
You can't do anything for the 21-year-old. The 21-year-old's an adult. The 18-year-old, you can go into family court, become their legal guardian, and get a judge to make a special ruling that's not in the best interest of the child to be returned to their parents because of neglect, abuse, abandonment, and then they can file a SIJ application for their green card. Too late for the 21-year-old, but we can definitely help you with the 18-year-old. Hold on one second. Let's go to Joan in the Bronx. Joan.
Hello?
How are you?
I'm fine. I've been waiting so long to talk to you, Mr. Bernstein.
I am sorry.
about that.
I
Go on.
apologize. If I knew it was you, I would have had you jump the line. I didn't realize it was you.
This is my first time.
Okay, what's
I
up?
have a friend in Jamaica. You want to come to America, but he don't have a passport. A green card at the moment.
Okay.
He said thing in Jamaica is still to get a visa at this moment. I don't know how true that is.
Well, has he applied for the visa yet?
Yes, he said he went, but they turned him down. He's been to Canada before.
How old is he?
He's like in his 50s.
Does he work?
Yeah, he works in Jamaica.
Oh. Well, maybe they turned him down because he doesn't have enough ties to America. But as a 50-year...
No, but how would I get him here?
Well, are you a citizen?
Yes, I am.
Is this your boyfriend?
No, yeah, you can say that.
You can say that. Go marry him. Go marry the man.
Go marry him in Jamaica and come here?
Go marry the man. Go down to Jamaica. Squeeze knows a lot of pastors that will marry you, right?
No.
You don't know any pastors that will
marry anyone?
That will marry anybody. Squeeze has never been married. He doesn't know the first thing about marriage. But go down and get married. Go down and get married and bring the man up. That's what you do.
I'll bring the man up. That's a good one.
All right. Hold on. All right, let's go to O'Neill in Upper Marlboro, Maryland. O'Neill.
Yes, good evening, guys.
How are you?
Good evening.
I'm good. I got a question. If somebody's been here for 20 years, they came on a green card and got in trouble towards the 10th year of being here, got a felony, and their green card is about to expire this coming year. And it was aggravated.
What was the felony for?
it was fraud. It was aggravated fraud.
Was it fraud? He had to did a restitution of more than $10,000?
No, it was less than that, but because it was in a Commonwealth, it was in Virginia. You know, they have their own thing, so like, it wasn't even above that.
Well, if the loss to the victim wasn't over $10,000 and he didn't go to jail for more than a year, it's not an aggravated felony for immigration purposes.
Well, I mean, they did give him sentence of 2 years, but they suspended with probation.
Okay, so then it was a theft offense for more than a year. That's how they're going to call it an aggravated felony. He needs to speak to us because he's a deportable alien. Hold on. Let's go to Ricardo in Orlando, Florida. Ricardo.
Hello.
Hello, Ricardo.
Yeah, hello, good afternoon.
What's up?
Just a quick question. I'm a green card holder, and I want to know what's the process of me marrying my spouse to get her stable here.
Okay, she's in another country?
She's just visiting here.
Okay, so go marry her. She's not going to be able to stay unless she's going to stay illegally. File an I-130 visa petition for her immediately. Get her on the waiting list. In about 18 months to 20 months, she'll get an appointment for an interview at the country where she lives.
Okay.
All right, hold on. We can help.
All right.
Let's go to John in Atlanta, Georgia. John, how are you?
John, how you doing?
John.
Hello.
John, do not get into an accident. John.
Let's go to the next call.
John, I hope he's okay. Okay. Another
Bronx.
John from the Bronx. John from the Bronx.
Yes.
What's up?
Yes. Oh, yes. I spoke to you a while ago saying that my daughter is filing for me, and she's a U.S. citizen. And you told me that I asked you how long it take. You told me it take 9 months, but I forget what to ask you. I get in trouble in 1987 and have a C felony, but I'm an active model citizen from that time.
What was the C felony for?
Well, they pulled me off the street saying I'm selling drugs.
Okay, you got a big problem because now you can't get a waiver for selling drugs. Hold on, come see us. You're going to need to try to vacate that conviction. Hold on. All right.
Important.
Very glad he didn't file anything. That was something that was very important for him to call back on.
Right.
All right, so we have one more call and then we're going to get to USA Credit. Lisa from Brooklyn. Lisa. All right, let's go to Esther in Brooklyn. Esther.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
What's up?
I wanted to know, right? My daughter got her green card last year. So I wanted to know if I could have, put her on my taxes to claim her.
Sure.
Yes?
If she's a dependent and she lives with you, yes. If she's not, then no.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Joe from Brooklyn. Joe, what's up?
Yes, I'm a green card holder for about 50 years.
50?
Yeah.
50 or 15?
Don't 50.
Wow. Okay.
Don't beat me up.
I'm not beating you up.
In filing for your citizenship, is there any part of the exam you're exempt from?
You are exempt. How old are you?
63.
You are exempt from the reading and writing.
Okay. Thank you much.
All right. All right. Let's go to John in Atlanta. John.
Hello.
John, how are you?
I'm doing great. How you guys doing?
Good. What's up?
Yeah, I got this simple question for you guys.
Okay.
My wife filed for me. We got married here, and she filed for me. And when we were filling the form, we filled the parole form. I don't understand what that means. So can I get a better explanation about that?
The parole form allows you to travel outside of the United States and return while you have a pending adjustment of status case. It's a travel document. The parole form is a travel document. It's to allow you to leave the United States for a short period of time, a week or 2 weeks, and then return to the United States and continue processing for your green card.
Okay. Then what if the 6 months has expired at the immigration today?
If what expired?
The 6 months.
Well,
When
did
they
you file?
came in,
Did you
they-
file an adjustment application?
No.
Okay, so you got to file an adjustment application for your green card. Your wife's a citizen. You're going to get a work permit and an advance parole. Hold on one second. We're going to help you, okay? He needs help.